2 months since our last story on the pileup of medical waste at the St. Jago Health Center in St. Catherine, TVJ News understands that the situation still persists. The matter was raised at this month's St. Catherine Municipal Corporation meeting. Krista Campbell has the details.
And it's an epidemic, Chairman, waiting to happen.
Something must be done immediately to get rid of that waste that piled up over the hospital. I think is more than even a year now.
And not just any waste. Medical waste piled up at the back of the St. Jago Health Center next to the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine. That waste includes blood-soaked materials used to treat patients like gauze, scalpels and syringes. The waste can also be infectious and is therefore considered hazardous, which is why councillors in the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation are livid and adamant on a redress to the problem.
NEPA would have served notices on the St. Catherine Health Department. The Public Health Department would have served notice. And the situation remains the same. I cannot understand how human beings work under a situation of such.
He says the stench is unbearable.
I've visited, and when I see rat, roach, you name it, dogs, it cannot. Various limbs and parts of bodies are stored there in the open, and the residents and the workers and also visitors to the St. Jago Health Center are complaining. I call the parish manager, he doesn't answer. I call the chief public health inspector, she doesn't answer.
So with Deputy Public Health Inspector Denise Douglas in attendance at the monthly Municipal Corporation meeting on Thursday, the councillors asked for something to be done urgently about the matter. Ms. Douglas did not share any plan of action to address the problem or a timeline as to when that will be done. But when TVJ News last highlighted the issue in December, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton expressed confidence the matter would have been resolved. Councillors insist the waste remains the same. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.